people believe that Dr. Peter Odili, anytime you reach him, Wike will do the work. It's a lie. He has never one day called me and told me anything. But ordinarily, by his nature, by the position he occupies, he should be able to tell me he wants this, he wants that. And I will never say no, but he has never done it. He has never done it. I don't know how to thank you people. The fight against me today is, oh, odd ladies, odd lady now. Odd lady never did it. Odd lady never one day has he not thought about the progress of the Rivers State. Never. He has stood for this state. People have fought him for nothing. The totally biggest problem in this state today, people must speak the truth, because he said Ikwereman will be governor. That's, if anybody tells you Odili has committed any other, it's just because he said Ikwereman must be governor. Unfortunately, we, the Ikwere people who he said should be governor, are one that put him in the witness box. Unfortunately. But I want to appeal to him. Forgive. You're a Christian. You're a Christian. Forgive all of us. Let me tell you, PDP is doing their primaries. They've shifted their primaries. Governorship 2025. Let me tell you, see, I see what's going on. They are fighting me. Don't worry yourself, I will conquer them. I will conquer them. They're all meeting. Don't worry yourself. Because my hands are clean. All I said, if you will not work for Rivers State, God don't allow you to be the governor of Rivers State. But if you work for Rivers State, God should support you. They have been holding meetings against me. Okay? Don't worry yourself. I'm equal to the tax. I'm equal to tax. I'm equal to tax. So I thank everybody who have come here. So, but not the truth of the matter, and which I have said severally, and most of you may not have been happy. I'm not against you. I'm not against you. But the point is that we must, as a matter of fact, make sure all of us play a role for Nigeria to be where it's supposed to be. It is not, when my mother was speaking today, he said, for me, those who are accusing judiciary, their hands are not clean. Anybody who is accusing judiciary or judges, their hands are not clean. But that does also not mean that even you, judiciary, should not keep your hands in order. That is the truth. It's the truth. This country, we're in a problem. We must solve the problem of this country. All of us here, we have a role to play. Let nobody deceive himself. We have a role to play. The new Electoral Act has removed anything to do with state high court, not to tamper, to touch about pre-election or about electoral matters. But state high courts are still doing the same. Then what they will do when it gets to the higher courts? They say, you know, we told you there are the problems we're having. They will not tell them the truth that the Electoral Act says anything about pre-election matters, electoral matters. It is now in the federal high court. But they will not do that. Tomorrow, when they go to Court of Appeal or any court, they say, oh, you see, we told you, these judges, they behave anyhow. when you know truly that nothing you can do, state high courts have no power to talk about pre-election matters or electoral matters. But they will bring it against the judges, innocent judges, innocent. So my duty is I should welcome you. I've welcomed you yesterday. I welcome you this afternoon. Let me talk my mind today. So I want to thank all of you. As you've come to River State, you have seen that there is peace, there is security. The only thing I will tell you the truth, you know me, I don't lie. The people who are doing sanitation failed us. That one I will tell you the truth too. You know, I will never tell you lies. I won't. Those who are in charge of sanitation, they failed us. And so we are working on it. But as per all other things, to the glory of God, we have done well. I will believe our people have that confidence in us that we have done well. But for sanitation, we failed. That one failed. It doesn't matter whether APC will take it or not. When you fail, say you fail. And that's why we brought the issue of if he didn't dare, he didn't dare.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.